Hi everyone, it's Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home, and today I'm really excited to share with you a final look at our basement laundry room. This room has been through a lot, and if you don't know our story, we had a flood way back in February from a burst pipe, and this room took a huge hit in the damage department. It's been fully renovated, and I've added some personal touches. I've added some touches for fall, and I can't wait to show you the finished space. I've already shared my full fall home tour, and I will link to that up here. I'll be sure to put it in the description box as well. What I didn't include in that video was a look at the laundry room because it wasn't finished yet. So now that it's finished, I can't wait to show you and give you the tour. So come on in and take a tour of my laundry room. So one of the first things you notice about my laundry room is the floor. I painted and stenciled this floor myself, and I do have a video with that DIY process if you're interested, but I'm so happy with how it turned out. It made the floor something really special and unique to our home. So as you're looking down the hallway into the laundry space, we have this vintage waterfall dresser. It's beat up, scratched up, and I love it. In this dresser, I have things like gift bags in one drawer and off-season clothing in another drawer. On the dresser, just to give this space some life and color, I layered this checkerboard. It's old and beat up and has so many memories. In front of it, I have a door to a cupboard that my dad built, and I rescued the door when a piece of it broke. And I now have some cute little artwork pinned up here. This is from Basil Chic, her Etsy shop last year, and I'll link to that below if you're interested. I have this copper pitcher, and some of you may remember I thought about donating this or selling it a while ago, but I changed my mind when we moved the dresser into this space because I knew it would make a really great vessel to display seasonal flowers. So I have some peach flowers in here that are great for spring and summer, but I just added in some leftover leaves from my wreath project, which you will see in a minute. And what fall space isn't complete without a pumpkin? Clive picked this one out from the grocery store. It is a real pumpkin, and I think it looks awful cute here on the dresser. So this laundry space is very utilitarian. I have some things that are pretty and some things that are quite practical. And one of the practical things is our exercise equipment we have down here. It's used probably almost every day between my husband and I in the colder months. This is a good spot for it, although it's not pretty, it works. So here we have our old and faithful washer and dryer. They're still hanging in and still working, so we're still keeping them. And I have this sort of odd window above. So what I've done is just hung this banner. I actually pulled this out of another room in my house. I'm thinking about the possibility of putting a shelf up here, but it might not be very practical because I'm so short I wouldn't be able to reach it. Right now I just have this banner for some texture and something visual here on this wall. And on top of my dryer, I just have what I need to do the laundry. So I have some laundry pods here, and then I have some homemade stain remover, and then I have just a little waste can here. My wash sink here is very utilitarian. I just have some spare soap and a bowl for anything that needs to be soaked, and then underneath a laundry bin to throw dirty clothes in. When I am drying clothing, I place it here on this rack. I'm thinking about getting one that you attach to the wall so it doesn't take up floor space, but this works for now. My favorite piece of decor in this room is definitely this hoop wreath that I made from an old quilting hoop. I got at a yard sale for $2. In fact, this whole wreath cost me about $6 to make, and I can link to that DIY for you guys, but I just love it. It is so sweet to look at. In front of the washer and dryer, I placed this jute rug I got off of Amazon. I'll link to it down below if you're looking for one like this. It's really sturdy. It does provide some cushion under the feet. With the stenciled floor, I just think the colors and texture combo here is so pleasing to the eye. I'm just really grateful for this space. In a small home, to even have a laundry room is a major blessing, but to have it have been destroyed and now look like this is just a major blessing, and I'm so grateful. thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing our finished laundry room space. It's amazing how far this room has come from almost completely destroyed to really cute and fun to be in. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope if you're new here that you will subscribe. I love making my home beautiful little by little, and I do this all on a budget and with lots of DIYs, creativity, and thrifting. So if you love that kind of thing too, be sure to hit the red subscribe button and come back for more. If you'd like to see my full fall home decor tour, I will link it right here, and you can also click my face right here if you'd like to subscribe. Take care everyone, and I will be back with more soon. Bye!